Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture, and I'm back with this one. It's time to change it up again. So I'm going to change it for Easter time with some cute little bunnies that I have. So let's take some of this off. And here's my dilemma. I have two really cute transfers. Which one am I going to use? So many decisions. Anyway, I think I'm going to use this little guy. First, we got to clean this one off, which is what I love about Couture, because you don't have to keep buying different boards. You just change it. And the transfers are reusable. So if you want that design back again, you just chalk it. Easy. All right, let's go. Okay, now I have to clean out the board, take off the hearts, and I'm using our board eraser, which is great. It takes all the ghosting off of it. It's like a clean board when you begin again. Once that dries, then you put your transfer on, and here's my little bunny. Putting the first layer on, I think it's fawn that I used. You squeegee it on and take the excess off and put it in your jar to use for another time. Once it's dry, you put the second layer on, and this time I use Cherry Blossom. It's a very light pink. Isn't he cute? I love him. Okay, now what is spring and Easter if you don't have flowers? So I have a flower on here, and I'm mixing up this marigold paste. I put that in the middle with the cherry blossom on the outside. I just use my finger this time in a circle to blend it, and then use a squeegee to take the excess off. But I used a paper towel because I didn't want to contaminate it, put it back in the other jars. It's a mixture of colors. Put the arrow back on, and I'm done. Look at that. I think real time that was about 30 minutes tops. I mean, it was quick, fun, and easy. So, and that includes cleaning time too. So there he is. He looks like he's snooping over the H in home. See what's there. Maybe there's some carrots for him. I don't know. I'm having so much fun with this. So if you really enjoyed this and you would like to look some more, just go to my website at chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, you can browse, shop, join, or now we have a monthly subscription. Awesome. You guys should check it out. Let me know if I can help. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.